Hello everyone, Porcelain here on Manufactured, and welcome to another art update video. This is probably going to be the shortest of my art update videos, and it's just showing off some of my reroute dolls. I'm not sure when this video goes up, but if it does go up before the 15th of September 2019, all these dolls will be available for sale at the Ottawa Doll Show. Yeah, and these are reroute dolls with custom skirts, as well as some of them have been body swapped. So yeah, this is just like custom reroute Barbie stuff. A little bit different from my repaints, but a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun rerouting these girls. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I'm going to do them one at a time. I think we will go kind of in order, if I'm remembering the order right. Let's see. Awesome. So we're going to start with this rainbow-haired beauty right here. As you can see, there we go. Getting her hair down. Now this one and one of the ponytail ones, their hair is tied into their head, so like you can pull on this, it's never going to come out. The redhead and I believe the blonde ponytail one, they are glued in, so it's a little less, like you wouldn't want to pull on it too much, but you can still braid it and have a lot of fun with it. Alright, so this is the first doll. I did not swap her body. She has an older style. Let's see, it's hard to fit her all in frame. I think I'm going to have to actually get rid of this, which is a shame, just to fit her in frame. They're so tall. I was going to spin her around like I do with my other stuff. Alright, so there you can kind of see her a little better. So yeah, she has one of the older style Barbie bodies. Some beautiful pink heels. I'm not sure what doll they came off of. A skirt that has been crocheted to match her hair. And then some blue jewelry in the form of earrings. And a bracelet that matches her shirt. And then this rerouted rainbow hair, which is just ultra long and really cool and cute and like pastel-y. This stand, of course, is a little too tall for her, so let's take her out and look at her more closely. Whoa. There we go. Whoa. There we go. We'll look at her more closely. So I chose her for this hair because she has these blue eyes with gold eyeshadow. She's actually a really beautiful doll. I'm going to bring my light closer. Changing everything on you guys as we go. Does that help? Maybe, maybe not. I'm moving this back up. Moving everything around. There we go. There we go. So she has this really beautiful gold metallic eyeshadow and blue eyes, which I think went with the whole rainbow look. And then I dressed her in blues to match. And then the pink picks up on her lipstick. And yeah, the skirt is crochet. It pulls on and off real nice. It's really stretchy. And like I said, her hair is tied in, so you can pull on this. It's never ever going to come out of this head. And it's really amazing for braiding and playing with. It makes her a really unique, fun doll. They do have their price tags already on them, so you can, if you want to peek at their prices, they're there. Those are Canadian prices, so they might be a little bit higher than what you would see in America for a doll. The reason reroute dolls cost so much is because it takes so long to reroute a doll. It takes hours and hours and hours. Sorry, I just had to change the camera battery real quick. But yeah, as I was saying, it takes hours to reroute a doll, and then you have to factor in the price of the original doll. So really, she's not that expensive. But yeah, that's what her price means. The next two I'm going to do are my ponytail dolls. I believe I did the blue one. Yeah, I did the blue one first. So we're going from one doll with a lot of blue to another doll with a lot of blue. This is my next one. They don't have names, obviously, because I don't plan on keeping them. Yeah, they don't have names because I don't plan on keeping them. So her head is actually from an older Barbie than her body, and her body's from a newer one. And I say older and newer, but that's a really relative term. She has these great black cowboy boots, a blue crochet skirt, and then a belly top that is this great like cheetah pattern. And then she has blue rerouted yarn hair. Whoop. In a ponytail. These doll stands really aren't helping me for this video. Yeah, she has blue rerouted yarn hair that is tied up with one of the pieces of yarn that's attached to her head into this beautiful ponytail that falls down her back. And it falls down like well past her butt, so there's a lot of hair there to play with if you wanted to play with it. This is what her face looks like. She's a little bit more tan, which is really lovely, and then she has blue eyes, which is why I went with the blue hair, because it's almost a perfect match. She again has a little bit of gold eyeshadow, but some accents of pink and blue in there as well, and some more purpley lips. I wanted to show off her like nice tanned beach body, so that's why I chose the crop top. And then the black cowboy boots, I think, go really well with it. And all of these clothing items are in great condition as well. So they're really, really nice dolls. The next ponytail doll, the next in my two ponytail dolls, I just love having their hair in ponytails like this. She is I think my cheapest one. Yeah, she's my $35 one. She's my cheapest one. She's got really, really bright colors. Here's her bright, bright face. Really bright makeup, bright green eyes. These starfish, gold starfish earrings, which are taken off of a mermaid Barbie, I believe. And then just super thick, really, really soft. This yarn is incredibly soft. It's also a little bit more shiny than the camera picks up on, which is why she's dressed in really shiny, like sea colors. And then she has the same pink heels as the rainbow-haired doll. And she's really cute, and she's got really soft hair. Her hair is glued in though, which is why it's a slightly lesser price. But yeah, her top is like matches her face makeup perfectly. She's got the crochet skirt, again made of the same yarn as her hair, and I also made these skirts, if that wasn't obvious. And yeah, she's pretty cute. And I think her head and body were matching, or maybe I swapped them, I can't remember. And then my final doll that I did, which is also my favorite one, I had to glue her hair in because there was just too much of it. If I had knotted it inside her scalp, there would be less than half as much probably, because it takes up a lot of room in her head. Her head is solid. These heads are still like squishy, like normal Barbie heads would be. Well, hers is a little less squishy, but you can still squish them a bit. This one you can't. But I love her so much. So this is my long redhead. I think she's gorgeous. She has green eyes. She has the like orangey redheaded eyebrows, which makes her face mold perfect for this. A little bit of blushing, and then some nice red lipstick. She is rooted with this great thick red yarn, and some of the strands have been like deconstructed so that her hair has more texture to it than the other ones. Obviously I put a lot more time into this one than the other ones, and also she's my favorite. She's wearing this pink blouse with little pink flowers, and then she has a nice thick, really, really thick crochet skirt. That's what the back looks like, and her hair goes down to her knees. Like, she has an insane amount of hair like this one does. She is my most expensive doll, but she is also my favorite. So if I'm not able to sell her, I really don't mind, because she's my favorite. She is wearing white tennis shoes as well. And yeah, she is definitely my favorite of these four girls. So there we are. These are my four custom reroute Barbies with some custom clothing as well. Some of them are body swapped, and I'm really happy with them. I think they're really, really cute, especially for being my first four doll reroutes. I've done pony reroutes before, but these were my first Barbie dolls. They do take a long time. I had to make my own rerouting tool for them, but I think they are worth the time, and they make just really unique, beautiful looking dolls that I think go well with like normal Barbies as well, and they just have so much more character having their hair like that. I just, like, this one is for sure my favorite, but let me know what your favorite is in the comments down below, if there are still comments there. I'm gonna have a video out about that probably before this video comes out. Hopefully there are. But yeah, aside from that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this does come out before September 15th, 2019, then these dolls will be available at the Ottawa Doll Show, so come by and say hi, or maybe purchase one of these beauties if you're looking to get one. Aside from that, I will be making some more art update videos similar to this. I have to do all my doll miniatures video and my custom doll furniture, so hopefully I'll get those filmed beforehand as well. But yeah, I really enjoyed the process of rerouting and really creating my own characters with these dolls. I love them so much, and I hope they can find really great new homes, and people who love them just as much as I do. Aside from that, keep being creative, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, evening, or night, wherever you are in the world, and keep playing by your own rules, guys. Bye!